Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with the next topic, which is overview of Abap on Hana. Okay, so once, as we have discussed in our previous topic, that Hana is being used by the business suite. So how Hana is used in business suite? It is used as a Hana database. So Hana is replacing the database layer. Say for example, today you have, say, your ECC system in Oracle database or Sybase database, or say DB2 or SQL database. So, and when you move into HANA, so basically when you do the migration to suite on HANA, business suite on HANA, so that is the time you need to find out, okay, so what is going to change for me? What type of issues can happen? How I need to fix them? So as an ABAPer, as a development consultant, as a application consultant, you need to know, okay, what is going to change, how I can fix the issues. Say for example, when you are moving from your non-SAP environment, or say from your ECC or suite on non-HANA environment to HANA environment, what is going to change? Okay, so you need to, so when you have done the migration, so migration is, it's a standard OSDB migration process, so there is no special skill required for doing a migration, but a migration SAP migration consultant who has done other migration, they will be able to do this migration seamlessly without any issues. Okay, so now when the migration is done, the key thing will be the testing. So during testing, how do you make sure that which programs is taking more time? So that is where you need to figure it out. Okay, so you need to analyze the data from, say, ST03N, or you need to find out the response time for different transactions, different programs, to see, okay, which is taking more time. And so that's where, once you identify those programs, you may need to use the new features, the optimization features, the feature using which you can transform those programs to leverage the power of HANA. Okay, so there will be chances that you may need to modify, say, 5 or 10% of the program only, but that could be, it may happen that those are critical programs, those are the programs where the response time is extremely important. So you need to know that how you can leverage the new features, new functionality to optimize your program, because the bottom line, the reason why you are moving to HANA is you want to use the power of HANA, you want to use the speed of HANA, you want to use the functionalities, the features that it brings. Okay, so the BAP programs which are running normally in a normal database, in a non-HANA database or non-disk based database, say for example Oracle or SQL or say DB2. Okay, so if your SAP is running in this, your ECC is running in this type of database, and you are coming into HANA, you need to figure it out, find out, okay, which transactions are taking more time, what need to be done. Okay, so basically, and how you can, which are the tools available, how I can, being an ABAPer, the key question for you will be how you can reuse your ABAP skill. Okay, because you don't want, those are the very important skill, they are the power of SAP, and you don't want them to go waste, because that is why there are some tricks required, some learnings required, some information required to use the new features available, and how to use that we will be covering in this particular training. Okay, so first thing is that once the migration is being done, you need to figure it out, okay, what need to change. Okay, so here you can see that this is your NetWeaver, ABAP NetWeaver layer. So this layer remains the same, only thing is this is using HANA. Okay, so and so one key things that we have seen is that you are combining both analytics as well as transaction in the same database, so that you are getting the real-time interaction with consumer, you are giving them the real-time platform, doing a real-time execution, real-time planning can be done, real-time reporting and analytics can be done. Okay, so here you can see that how this is basically showing the platforms for different. So this is the roadmap for the product, that is they are looking at a single database to run all these things. So as on today it's not single, so we will see that how it is today. So let's go back and see. Okay, so you can see that this is the stage today, that is you have ERP on HANA, SRM on HANA, PLM on HANA, SCM on HANA, CRM on HANA. So this one is yet to be released. It can be released anytime, but rest of them is already out and they can be used straight away. So you can look into migrating your existing environment into HANA. Okay, so this is the roadmap for them. They are looking at single database providing all this functionality. Okay, now this is showing that this is your system of record. Okay, ERP1. You have unstructured data is also coming into it. You have internet related social media is coming into it. So this is ERP 2.0 is system of engagement, that is SAP runs faster, okay, runs smarter, runs simpler. So that is the logo for SAP HANA. That is the key benefits, the three key things in what SAP HANA brings to the table. Okay, now here you can see this is your MRP transaction. So this is showing that how you can simplify your MRP runs. Okay, how you can make sure that your MRP takes becomes very smooth, taking very less time. Okay, so that is about this transaction. So these are the type of transactions which makes HANA more popular, because that is where the value lies. Apart from the real time, the new application which can be built on top of it because of the speed of it. Okay, here this is showing a report which is SAP UI based report. So this report is, you can see that you can see how it is at fingertips. You can in a single page you can have all this information, where you need to go through so many transactions or so much time to generate this type of report. Okay, so this makes life very easy. Say this is from the SAP UI report. Okay, so now this is basically a evolution since 1990 or prior to that, how the technology has evolved. Okay, so I won't go into the details of this. Now different information needs require traditional complexity. So you can see the different type of data, how it is coming up and what type of data. You have event triggered data, OLTP transaction data, data warehouse. Okay, all different kind of data mart, unstructured data, social media data, internet data, archive data. So you can see that the data is getting increased like anything. Okay, so now here you can see the different examples. Say for example ETL. Okay, so ETL based reporting, replication analytics, velocity. So here you can see the different 6 V's for this. So value, vision, visibility, velocity, versatility, variety and volume. So this is one key thing, that is the volume. Okay, you have variety of unstructured data, volume. Okay, so all this is, so this is for the unstructured. You can see you can use integrate with Hadoop. Okay, so this is the new things which is coming into HANA, with the power of HANA, with the what HANA can do, especially in terms of analytics or in terms of processing power. Okay, and as a database you can see this is where we are today, and this is the roadmap for HANA. And now here you can see that you can have 3 types of data. So this is your HANA database. You have a logical database. Okay, so and you have real-time data platform. It can hold hot data, warm data, cold data. So we will see what is hot, warm and cold data. Okay, so that is where, say for example, data you are not using very frequently, you can put it transfer that data or put it in an archive, or if you want that to be available online, you can go for tools like IQ based archiving, that is NLS based nearline storage kind of thing. Okay, so that's where you have these concepts like data is warm data available in HANA, hot data available in HANA. Warm data you can say it's Sybase IQ, cold data you can put it in archive tapes. So different, depending on the requirement, you can configure your structure for this. Okay, so we have seen that how we can use these features. Okay, so here is actually, this is where the architecture for HANA is. You can see that this is showing you the overview of NetWeaver 7.4. Okay, so this is what Abap on HANA is built on. You can see that this is your SAP HANA, where you are doing decision service management with BRF Plus. Okay, optimized Abap, optimized for SAP HANA. Okay, you have your Abap language here, SAP Abap optimized for SAP HANA. So we will see how the optimization is carried out, how you can do the decision service management using BRF Plus. Okay, how this Abap, you can see this is your core thing, but you, along with this, you have a business rules, you have embedded analytics, you have life cycle management here, security layer, and on top of it you can have say NWBC, or you can have SAP UI5 or FRM or WDA. Okay, so your this NetWeaver AS Abap 7.4 has all these things. So this is what we will see, that how when you use this you can leverage all whatever is available to you. Okay, so now this is basically showing that how, what is an Abap test cockpit, how you can do your unit testing, you can do your functional usability and performance and security analysis. Okay, so we will see these things in detail, and this is pretty important, that is SQL Monitor, how you can use SQL Monitor to find out where the bottlenecks lies in terms of performance when you migrate to HANA, and how you can fix them. Okay, different views and procedures and how you leverage them in HANA, and how do you create a database proxies and how you can call them in the reporting view. So how what is changing in the new environment. Okay, so it's basically showing that central managing decision making process, how you can use this. Okay, this is basically a life cycle of for SAP and HANA. So here you can see the different tools which you use. Say for example, you'll be seeing the transport management piece, how you can do source code management here, you can do landscape management, update process using say HLM, HANA lifecycle management, configuration, so how it goes from development to consolidation or test to production. Okay, so that is pretty much I wanted to cover in this particular topic. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.